and this person really want to marry you. And sensitive right now, this person is emotionally sensitive. They feel competition towards you. You're not forcing them to commit. This person is hurt in their past. It's a marriage conversation. Hi Libra, welcome back to my channel. It's Love Stories. Today I'm gonna do your online psychic love reading for the month of May, Tuesday special. Keep in mind that these readings are channel. This may resonate with you or maybe not resonate with each and every one of you. If it resonates with you, take guidance from these readings, and if it's not resonate with you, you can simply ignore it. Okay, let's get started. What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling, thinking, and intentions towards Libra? What are the Libra person's feeling? Okay, this card really want to jump out of Ace of Cups, Hierophant, Queen of Wands, and Eight of Cups. What are the Libra's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? What are the Libra's feeling, thinking, and intentions toward this person? And we are having here Eight of Wands, Three of Cups, Ten of Wands, Ten of Pentacles. What are the mutual energies? What are the mutual? Knight of Pentacles and King of Pentacles. These are your cards, Libra, and sign that could relate it to your person. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces with its Eight of Cups, Ace of Cups, Three of Cups, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius with this Eight of Wands, Ten of Wands, Queen of Wands, Taurus with this Hierophant, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn with this Ten of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, and King of Pentacles. Overwhelming emotions and feelings in this person for you with this Ace of Cups. This person feel loving. Maybe it's this person is just overwhelmed, and they are just overwhelming towards you. This person is having that feelings right now. It's sometimes we feel like that being emotional in every matter. Sometimes we feel like that about emotional about our love life, our health. We are emotional towards our overall the every area of your life. This person is emotional towards you and sensitively emotional towards you, and they find you attractive. They find you charismatic, charming, beauty, a beautiful person with a brain, intelligent, beautiful person. They find you like that, and this person really want to marry you. Commitment. They want looking for long run. They are looking for long term commitment with this Hierophant card. Disappointed a bit, Libra. This person is a bit disappointed because of your behavior. Something wrong. Maybe you are not taking them serious, or maybe they can't get this commitment from you. Maybe you are not giving them any kind of green signal. That's why this person is a little bit disappointed on you and walking in a disappointment. But you are desirable for them. They really like you're adorable. They whenever they think about you, they feel attraction towards you, attractive towards you, and emotional and sensitive right now. This person is emotionally sensitive. And if we talk about your side, you are like fast communication, thinking about to call this person. You want this person to call you, connect with you with passion, and it also maybe there is idea in this person's head to talk to you, call you, send you text message. Some kind of burden on your shoulder. Something is just like not so right for you. You feel like that it's a burden. There is a restriction in your life. You have to resist things. You have to keep carrying the things with this Ten of Pentacles. Maybe these family traditions, culture. It's all about the family and roots, culture, our traditions, like religion. There is some kind of sometimes it's suffocating. Traditions and are suffocating, and you are enjoying with your friends and family. Maybe third party from your side, Libra. The reason of this person's disappointment, maybe you are dealing with someone else. This Three of Cups, busy you are busy with your friends and with your family traditions. You are like a little bit burden on your shoulder. Maybe you can't felt it, but you can feel that something is wrong with you, and what's wrong with you, you don't know. And there is some kind of the fast communication between both of you with this Eight of Wands, and this person totally get that you are not going to rush into anything. You will understand. You are an understanding person. You understand situation. You are not forcing them to commit with me. Be with me. Otherwise, you can go your way, I can go my way. You are not doing that to this person. You this telling this person, giving the signals, take your time. It's okay. You can decide. Take your time. I'm also taking my time. This person get a feel because you are a stable person, rooted person, a, a grown tree with roots, with stability. When everything is like boundaries around you, the healthy boundaries around you, a peace, calmful tree, a strong person on your ground with this King of Pentacles. Let's see what else we have for you, Libra. Okay, these cards really want to jump out. Five of Wands, Queen of Sword, and Three of Pentacles. With this Five of Wands, Libra, discussion is there. As I told you, the family matters. That when sometimes you feel like that, it's really compressing. It's a burden on your shoulder. They are discussing about you. This person feel competition towards you. They think they are the bottom in the list of your loved ones. They are under, you know in the end, they feel like that there is a huge thing. There are a lot of people they need to, you know get over and at the top in order to, they feel competition towards you. In short, this person feel competition towards you, and also you are strict towards all the BS. With this Queen of Swords, you are strict here. You are not taking any kind of BS from anyone. Third, Three of Pentacles is about when a lot of thing to build, when you have to build the connection all over again, when you have to gain trust, when you have to earn trust, when you have to build the trust, when you need to, build a lot of things in a relationship. Both of you, the healthy thing is this, both of you ready to build this connection. New project in your hand, you are thinking, in some cases, maybe a third party as well. Third party is the reason that you can't build this. You feel like that you a lot of things required to build this connection with this Three of Pentacles. Let's see what messages, what else we have for you. What else we have for you? We are having here Nine of Wands, Five of Cups, and Ten of Pentacles. With this Nine of Wands, this person is hurt in their past. They get hurt. They feel that pain before. They are feeling the pain. But they know how to deal with this pain. They how to deal with person who is just juggling, who is just playing with them, or keeping them in a third party, or just making excuse. They face already a lot of things in their past, and they really don't want that with you. They really don't want you to do something like that with them, and they really don't want to do anything bad with you. They really don't want to repeat history with you. You are a little bit stuck in your past. There is some kind of regrets in you. You are thinking about past and looped in past with this Five of Cups. Ten of Pentacle again. Sometimes it's in some cases, Libra, it's about marriage. When there is a marriage conversation, and we have to, people, consider a lot of things like religion, culture, traditions, families, caste, a lot of things. So it's suffocating sometimes. It's about, in some cases, it's about that, and it's about family, traditions. When it's just when you not looking for love, you are just looking what will beneficial for your family, what is good for your image in society. Sometimes people just look for, not look for love, they just consider their image in society, what good for their image. Ten of Pentacles is about. Let's see what your angel want to add in this reading. What your angel want to add, Libra? What do you desire right now? Visualize it, and it will come about. Negativity will block your progress. Don't be so negative. what you want, just keep manifesting on this thing. Beautiful message from your angel. Let's see what advice message is. Move on, learn from your mistake, forget it, pray to the God for peace in your life. These are few advice messages in the end, Libra. And summary of your reading is this person is emotional right now. When they think about you, they think like that you are really attractive. They're looking for long run. Little bit disappointment in this person because of maybe third party, keeping this person a third party. Sometimes these traditions and family stuff is suffocating and burden on your shoulder, and you want this person to talk to you with passion. There is a fast communication between both of you, and this person really don't want to repeat any kind of harsh, painful history with you. Little bit regrets in you, loop in past. These are few summaries of your readings. Hope this helpful for you. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.